welcome all to Unbox Things with Sabitya. Today, let me see how we can save our lips from dry and chappy skin of our Rebel Air lips. So, I have taken some beetroot pieces and I'm gonna mix it now. So, I have to add some more ingredients to it. So, let me show what and all I'm adding to it. Have taken a piece of cardamom and cloves and cinnamon stick, so I'm gonna add into it. So these are all things which I'm gonna add. Next I'm gonna add a spoon of sugar, which is a brown sugar and natural sugar. So normally people do grate beetroots and then make juice of it. So for an easy method, now I am smashing all it in a mixer and I'm preheating it. Then once again I am gonna mix it. So for an easy way I have done this. So grating beetroot also will be giving much more consistency for you. So it's came boiled, so I'm just taking for mixing in a mixie jar. So I'm squeezing the beetroot juice now into a glass. So yes, the thing is boiling. Now I'm gonna add a spoon of coconut oil. The next thing I have taken is vitamin E capsule 2 and some lip shade balm, which I already have, and some bee wax, or you can use any moisturizer wax of which is your favorite. So now I am using ghee for it, and this I am using for the good texture of our lips, which is a very good productive one which I am using for months. So this is very good ingredient which I am going to use here for our lip balm. So yes, so I have taken the remaining of the wax and some ghee and some saffron lip balm which I already have, which is not a lip balm, it's a lip cream, and I have a small bit, even it was in the last of the bottle, so I have taken that to mixture in this. So a good smell and texture is coming, so it's time to off the flame. So here itself you can see the texture how it came. At last I am adding Nivea Smooth Sensation body cream for a soft texture. Yes, this is the texture which I have got from that. So this is very smooth and very light consistent, which you can which you can use daily, and you can use whenever you feel your lips is frizzy, and this is so productive and which is I feel very good about it. Let you try all in your home and make sure it is done by all natural ingredients. Thank you. So I hope you all like this video. So I'll let you show applying it to my lips and will show you how the color comes. So this is how the lip balm will look like. So it will really helpful for your skin, and it is very smelly and smoothie. It gives a good texture. Hope you guys like it when you're making. So make sure that you are doing all the things which your non products which you are using, means it will literally cause your skin, so that may infect your lips also. So this is the things which I am using. So make sure the products which you are using. So this is the consistency of my lip balm which I made today. So hope you guys like it. Thank you.